Now we will do our today's work in our worksheet. So take out page number 14 and look at its poem, Do You Like Fruits? Now look at scene poem 1, Apple in the winter time, chikus in the fall, mangoes in the summertime, I like it best to all. Orange and kinnus bright, sugar cane so sweet, melons and the juicy grape, all of them are treat. So student, today we will do this work in our classwork. So write down here CW. CW means classwork. Now we will do its question and answers. So now look at question number 1. Which fruit we eat in winter? And according to this poem, apple in the winter time. So we will write this answer here. We start our answer here. From here, we eat apple in winter. Full stop. Now look at question number 2. Which fruit is the king of the fruit? So do you know which fruit is the king of fruit? Yes, mango is the king of the fruit. So we will write here this answer. M-A-N-G-O, mango is the king of the fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Full stop. Now look at question number B. Give 2 names of the juicy fruit. We will give the answer of this question from this poem. Melons and juicy grape. M-E-L-O-N-S, melons, and G-R-A-P-E, grape. Now look at question number C. Write meaning of the following. Student, these are word meaning. Kinnus. Kinnus means kinds of oranges. So we will write here K-I-N-D, kind of O-R-A-N-G-E-S, oranges. Now look at word number 2, melons. Melons means kinds of round summer fruits. So we will write this answer here. Kind of R-O-U-N-D, round S-U-M-M-E-R, summer F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Now look at word number 3, juicy. Juicy means having a lot of juice. So we will write this answer here. Having a lot of juice. J-U-I-C-E, juice. Now we will move our unseen poem 1. The mice in their holes and the kitten curled up and the spiders that spin what everyone's out, why everyone's in. The mice means चूहिया, in their holes, and holes are mice's homes. तो कह रहा है कि माइस जो चूहिया है वो अपने होल्स में है, एंड द किटन कर्ल्ड अप, और जो किटन है यानी कैट के जो बच्चे हैं वो किटन वो कर्ल्ड अप, और जो कैट के बच्चे हैं किटन वो कर्ल्ड अप यानी मुड़े हुए हैं, यानी वो सुकड़ के बैठे हुए हैं. एंड द स्पाइडर्स दैट स्पिन, और जो मकड़ियां हैं वो घूम रही हैं. व्हाट एवरीवन्स आउट, ये सभी क्या कर रहे हैं. वाई एवरीवन्स इन, और ये सब ऐसे अंदर क्यों हैं. Now look at page number 15 and look at these questions. Question number 1 is the mice in there, and the options are holes, holes and house. The mice in their holes. So we will take in this box. Now look at question number 2, the spiders that, and options are spin, curled up or flying. So the correct answer is spin, so we will take in this box. Now look at question number B, write the opposite of in, and according to this poem the opposite of in is out, O-U-T, out. Question number 2 is cat baby known as, and the answer is kitten, K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Now we will do its question bank. So look at its question number 1, fill in the blanks with the help of brackets. Means in all questions here are some options in these brackets. We will solve these questions by these options. Now look at question number 1. Apples are got in days, summer or winter. And according to our poem, apples in the winter time, the correct answer is winter. So we will tick here and also write this answer here, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Now look at question number 2. The poet's favorite fruit is, and the options are apple or mango. And according to the poem, the poet's favorite fruit is mango. So we will tick here and write this answer here, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Now look at question number 3. The poet dash, and the options are in bracket, dislikes, loves, fruits. What will the correct answer? Loves. So we will write this answer here, the poet loves fruits. Now look at question number 4. The color of the dash, and the options are in bracket, grapes and melons, kinnus and oranges are bright. So which one is correct answer? Kinnus and oranges are bright. So we will write this answer here, K-I-N-N-O-W-S, kinnus, A-N-D, and oranges, O-R-A-N-G-E-S, oranges. Now look at question number 5. Dash, in bracket options are chiku and sugarcane is very sweet. So who is more sweet? चीकू और शुगर केन? Sugar cane. So we will write this answer here. SUGAR, sugar, CANE, cane. Sugar cane is very sweet. Now we will give the answer in brief. So look at question number 1. In the poem, do you like fruits? Which fruit is ready to eat in summer and why? So the answer of this question is mangoes are ready to eat in summer. Why? Because they ripen with the heat, and in summer season they are so heat. And the summer season the days are very hot. So we will write this answer here. MANGOES, mangoes are AREREADY, ready to TO2 EAT, eat, INN SUMMER, summer. Because BECAUSE, because they, 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 RIPEN, ripen, WITH, with, THE, the, HEAT, heat, full stop. Mangoes are ready to eat in summer. आम गर्मियों में खाने के लिए तैयार होते हैं. बिकॉज, क्योंकि दे राइपन विद द हीट, क्योंकि वे पकते हैं हीट यानी गर्मी की, यानी गर्मी में ही वो पकते हैं. सो दैट समर में आम खाने के लिए तैयार होते हैं. नाउ वी विल डू आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Name 2 juicy fruits that the poet mentions in the poem. Do you like fruits? Means do you like fruits में poet ने कौन से 2 juicy fruits के नेम लिखे हैं? तो do you know which are they? Yes, they are melons and grapes are the juicy fruits that the poet talks about in the poem. So we will write this answer here. MELONS, melons, and grapes, 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 are the JUICY, juicy, FRUITS, fruits, THAT, that, the poet, 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 TALKS, talks, ABOUT, about, INN THE, the, POEM, poem. यानी मेलन्स एंड ग्रेप्स, अंगूर और खरबूजे या फिर तरबूज रसीले फल होते हैं जो कि पोएट यानी कवि ने इन पोयम में, जिनके बारे में इस पोयम में पोएट ने बताया है. नाउ वी विल डू आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. डू यू फील द पोएट इज हैप्पी और सैड इन द पोयम? डू यू लाइक फ्रूट्स, यानी डू यू लाइक फ्रूट्स में पोयम खुशी महसूस कर रहा है या फिर दुख महसूस कर रहा है। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोयम, इन दिस पोयम द पोएट इज हैप्पी so that she appreciates nature and this makes the poet happy. So we will write this answer here. The poet, P-O-E-T, poet is happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. She appreciate, A-P-P R-E-C-I-A-T-E-S, appreciates means तारीफ करना, nature, N-A-T-U-R-E, nature means प्रकृति, and this, T-H-I-S, this, M-A-K-E-S, makes the poet, P-O-E-T, poet, happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy means खुश। इस पोयम में कवि खुश है। She appreciates nature and this makes the poet happy, वो प्रकृति की तारीफ करती है और ये ही पोएट यानी कवि को हैप्पी यानी खुश बनाती है। So students, this is the answer of your question banks. Students, now we will read a new chapter in our textbook. So take out your textbook, English Junction, and its page number 1818. Student, this is our new chapter and its name is Ant Friends. Ant means चींटी और friends यानी मित्र. This is the story based on ant. So we will read this story. So student, are you ready for it? Student, you will move your finger with my pencil, okay? And also read with me. So start reading with me. Read on to find out more about ants. In the morning, Tony was all alone. Tony played with his friends after lunch every day. But it was only 10 in the morning now. Please, can I go out to play? Mother said Tony. Yes, you can, Tony. I will call you when it is lunch time, said Mother. So he went out into the garden to play. Tony loved the garden. He loved to look at the colorful flowers and the fruits on the trees. He loved to play with the bundles of sticks, dry leaves, and an old tin pail. Student, alone. Alone means without anyone else, यानी किसी के भी साथ नहीं means अकेले. Pail. Pail means bucket means balti. Now we will move our page number 1990. But today he also found something else. He saw an old broken log in a corner of the garden. A line of shiny black ants marched up and down this log. Tony bent down and said, "Hello, I am Tony. I am glad to see you." Student, now look at this picture. In this picture, the Tony bent down and he was saying to the ant, "Hello, I am Tony. I am glad to see you." The ants nodded their heads. Were they glad to see him too? Tony watched them. What are they doing? Where are they going? He wondered. He looked carefully at an ant. It was carrying some food in its mouth. The other ants went under the log and put the food there. Now we will look the meaning of these words. Log. Log. Log means a thick piece of wood from a tree. Means एक पेड़ का, thick means मोटा, एक पेड़ का एक मोटा लकड़ी का टुकड़ा. Students, you will keep practicing of reading of this chapter. Goodbye everyone.